Hey, I got sent over a dash cam. This is a 2-channel dash cam. It means it's got your front camera and your rear camera. Let's get it opened up and check it out, and then we will take a look at some video samples. Right here on the top, we have our camera. Comes wrapped in bubble wrap. Take care of it. This is a 4K A22W. It comes with a SD card, 64 gigabyte SD card. Feels pretty good. It's not too heavy, not too light. Our rear camera. Suction cup to mount the camera to your windshield. USB-A to USB-C data cable. Cigarette lighter adapter. Get the power from your power point in your car. Some more mounting hardware. Have our power cord. Plug it into here. Plug this into your camera. Comes with a crowbar to run the cable up behind your upholstery. You kind of pull it down. Comes with a card reader and some cable clips and a lens cleaning cloth. Also has your instruction booklet. Let's get it hooked up and see how good the quality is. Okay, so my final thoughts on this little A22W dash cam is a decent little camera. It does have an app that you can download, and you'll be able to take pictures with that app, start and stop the video, download the files off of your camera onto your phone, and then view them on your phone. As you saw, the video is not super clean, but for this price range of a camera, it will do the job. Basically, all you need to do is, if somebody runs out in front of you or rear ends you, you need to be able to see and identify that vehicle. And with this little camera here, that is possible. Now, if you want to read street signs and details on vehicles, it's a little more demanding than what this camera is capable of. But for your basic dash cam needs, it's a decent little camera. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.